In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Chrome. If the text in Chrome feels too small to read comfortably or maybe a little too large for your preference, the good news is that Chrome makes it very easy to adjust. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can make the text size more comfortable for your eyes and easier to use while browsing. To get started, open the Chrome app on your device. Once Chrome is open, look for the three dots menu. Depending on your device and version of the app, this menu may appear in the top right corner or the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap those three dots to open Chrome's menu options. When the menu appears, tap Settings. This is where Chrome keeps the app's main customization and browsing preferences. After you enter Settings, scroll down until you find Accessibility, then tap on it. If you don't see it right away, just keep scrolling a little further, since it may be lower in the list depending on your device. Inside the accessibility section, you'll see the text scaling slider. This is the tool that controls how large or small text appears in Chrome. To increase the font size, drag the slider to the right. To make the text smaller, drag it to the left. As you adjust it, aim for a size that feels comfortable to read without straining your eyes. This setting is especially helpful if you read a lot of articles, browse websites for long periods, or simply want a better viewing experience on a smaller screen. A slightly larger text size can make a big difference in comfort and readability. Take a moment to fine tune the slider until the text feels just right. It's a good idea to choose a setting that helps you read clearly while still allowing websites to display properly on the screen. If the text becomes too large, some pages may feel a little crowded, so finding a balanced setting is usually best, and that's all it takes to change the font size in Chrome. Open Chrome, tap the three dots, go to Settings, select Accessibility, and use the text scaling slider to adjust the text size to your liking. Once you've made the change, Chrome will use that setting to make browsing more comfortable moving forward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.